far as anyone's concerned, you're not allowed to film.
Yeah.
Right, David?
Yeah.
You've got 2 pairs of socks.
Right, are you right here? I don't know, I'm sure.
There's a pig in the wall. Okay? I've got another pair in Definitely going to do it.
I'm going to go and get changed. What's the matter? I'm seeing him next week. I'm seeing him next week, so hopefully. You know, in the pros you see coming down, you just put on your plane map with me, yeah?
Oh, so that's the other one for you.
He's going to say that's us though, and the one who just fell over. But the reassuring thing was, he did say no one's ever had a serious injury.
Yeah.
That's us up there. The film this guy coming down, that would be, say that's me. Film him and say that's me there.
I think they know it's not us.
Yeah, he comes down effortlessly. You would, you'll just round the corner and get back in the queue
So
again.
where'd you come from? Eastbourne. He's never heard of it. He said, right, and he went, oh, I think it's right in there.
He said, I'm from Edinburgh, all I know is Edinburgh, Milton, Keynes and London. That's where he's from.
Yeah.
So we was in his neck of the woods and he's in our neck of the woods.
We was telling him that we was in Edinburgh yesterday. So he turned around and said, oh, he said, it's a Stephen Johnson and an Arabic park. He said, oh, he said, that's what I was about that area. When we was just saying, he done the years watch.
Well, I'm going to get changed. You all right here? You know?
No. Are these all learning, David?
I know. You can't.
Yeah.
You need them for.
I said to Mum, I want a better attire for next time.
Oh, you mean be out last time, forget all about it again, and scramble the last day?
And next time we come, we're going to be more prepared.
I think so, don't
Imagine.
He's taking on David Lloyd now then, so.
Oh.
You had to look in there for anything?
Yeah, that's where we're going. That's where we found their lovely coach.
Yeah.
That's a bit now.
You got a Weatherspoons here.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Who was outside?
You got all the posh restaurants and you got Weatherspoons and the McDonald's. These have lost their casino, mum, as well. Well, half the building was taken up by the casino. And that's closed down now, like the one in front. Yeah. The problem for the one in Brighton is it can't compete with the one in the city centre. Going here and stuff. Yeah. Right,